This is really hot here at Animal Kingdom today. Yay! If you guys didn't know, you can come back here, this little spot, Harambe Market, cool off, and wait for the train to come. Here it comes. The train coming through here, pretty cool to see here at Animal Kingdom. Subscribe and your next pin adventure awaits you. The pin boards must be explored, so let's go.